Solving rational equations is example 2. So just like the first one, we have to make sure that our denominators are the same in order to, in this case, we're subtracting them. And so the denominator over here is x minus 6, so we need the denominator for the first one to be the same. So we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 6. And then this one is easy because our equation is already equal to 0. So I'm going to distribute. So we have x squared minus 6x. And I'm going to go ahead and write it over minus 6. Minus 4 over x minus 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and subtract my fractions. So that's x squared minus 6 minus 4 all over x minus 6 equals 0. And I'm going to plug in my computer real quick, so I'm just going to pause. Okay. And so now I'm going to try to factor the numerator. And so x squared minus 6x minus 4 over x minus 6 equals 0. And so this is an easy factor because it's just x squared in the front. But, so I need two numbers multiplied together gives me 4, but when I add them gives me negative 6. And there is none, so that means I have to use the quadratic formula. So that's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. So, since you can't factor it, we'd have to use that, but before I factor it, I'm going to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom, well, just both sides, sorry, by x minus 6. So that will cancel, and then that's still 0. So now I have x squared minus 6x minus 4 equals 0. And so now I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I have 6 plus or minus the square root of 36, which is 6 squared, minus 4 times 1 times c, which is negative 4, all over 2 times a, which is 1. So now I have 6 plus or minus the square root of, I'm going to go ahead and combine those two, so that's 4 times 1 times negative 4, which is plus 16. So 36 plus 16 is 52, all over 2. And I'm just going to leave it just like that.